Hi guys, welcome back to Sapima tutorial. In our lesson today, we shall be solving this mathematics problem on the board. Okay, the first one we are asked to write this as a single fraction. So what do we do? Okay, since we are subtracting two fractions, we solve with LCM. And the LCM of 6r and 4r is 12. So we have 12r, 12r, not 12. Now 6r divide 12r will give me 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Then 12r divided by 4r will give me 3. 3 times 3 will give me 9. 10 subtracting 9 will give me 1. So we have 1 over 12r. That becomes our solution. So let's solve the second one. We are asked to simplify this 0.008 raised to power 1 over 3. First of all, let's write it as a fraction. That is 8 over, this is 1, 2, 3. So I'll have 3 zeros and the decimal point as my 1. So I have 8 over 1000 all raised to power 1 over 3. Then write the both of them as index. So I will have 2 raised to power 3. This will give me 8 over 10 raised to power 3. This will give me 1000. And then all raised to power 1 over 3. But we can write this fraction with a single power or as a single power. So I will have 2 over 10 raised to power 3, factoring out their powers. Then we multiply it against this power. So I will have 1 over 3. Now this 3 can cancel this 3. So I am left with 2 over 10, which can be written as 1 over 5 or 0.2. Okay, so let's solve the third one. We are asked to simplify this sod. Okay, so I will simplify it individually first before multiplying. If I multiply it first, I'll find it difficult to break it down. So write this as 9 times 3. We write it in two factors of 27. That one of them is a perfect square, the other not a perfect square. So 9 is a perfect square, 3 is not a perfect square. Times, this is 25 times 2. 25 is a perfect square, 2 is not a perfect square. So we can separate them as square root of 9 times square root of 3 times square root of 25 times square root of 2. Now the square root of 9 is 3. Then this does not have a square root, so I'll write 3 times the square root of 25 is 5. 2 does not have a square root, right? So we now multiply term against term. The coefficients multiply coefficients, the square roots we multiply the square roots. So 5 times 3, 3 times 5 will give me 15. Then square root of 3 times square root of 2 will give me the square root of 6, which becomes our solution. Thank you so much for coming on board. Please like this video, share it to your friends, follow me on my Facebook and TikTok handle, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye.